Hey everybody, it's Pete from Old Man Overland. Another beautiful day in Tucson, Arizona. We're at the top of Reddington Pass, just as the sun's about to set. And tomorrow, we're embarking on a trip back east to Pennsylvania. Got my buddy Dave out here, who's manning the camera and also be camping with me along the way. We plan to go up through Arizona, then up to Utah, maybe see Moab. This is why I do this. It's an opportunity to get out in nature and really experience some of the things that a lot of us never get to do. You know, we all play golf or we play tennis or we go on vacations. This last year, though, has been really brutal. So being out here in nature, you know, I don't have to worry about 6 feet from anybody. It's just me and Dave. But man, I'm telling you, get fresh air, you do whatever. So, you know, if you have a chance, get out, get a hike in, get out in nature, take your truck out, get it dirty, have some fun. We're gonna be talking a lot about that this week. We're on a back trail up here at Reddington Pass. Looks like we're gonna have one of our ATVs come by here in a second. Hey guys. Pretty popular spot to be bombing up. I thought I had the whole mountain to myself. I guess not. So anyway, we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a great week. For those that don't follow us yet, follow us at oldmanoverland.com. We'll look forward to filling you in as we go along. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll hopefully have a great adventure to share with you.